Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to change a Kia Optima tire, updated. Begin by parking level, engaging the parking brake, and placing wheel chocks behind wheels. Loosen the lug nuts a half turn with the wrench while the car is still grounded. Position the jack at the manufacturer jack point and raise the vehicle until the tire clears the ground by a few inches. Then remove the lug nuts fully. Hand thread the lug nuts to prevent cross-threading and lower the vehicle partway until the spare contacts the ground. Tighten lug nuts in a star pattern to ensure even seating and torque with a wrench until snug. Fully lower the car and torque the lug nuts to the manufacturer specification in a star pattern. Replace hubcap if present and store the flat tire and tools securely in your trunk or garage. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tips. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice from the link in the description. It pairs nicely with roadside fixes and freshens your ride. Check the description for that link and other deals. And thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After the change, check the spare tire pressure. Adjust to the recommended SI and stow tools safely. Drive slowly and avoid highway speeds if the spare is temporary or a donut. Recheck lug nut torque after 25 to 50 miles and again at your next stop. Schedule a repair or replacement for the damaged tire promptly, and keep an eye on vehicle handling and vibration during the first few miles.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.